Omron blood pressure monitors use error codes like E1, E2, E3, E4, and E5 to signal issues affecting accuracy. These codes are built-in safeguards designed to prevent incorrect readings and ensure reliable home monitoring. We'll break down what each code means, why they occur, and how to resolve them quickly. Error code E1 indicates the air hose is not securely connected to the monitor. This prevents proper airflow, which is crucial for accurate inflation and measurement. The most common cause is a loose plug or damaged hose. To fix it, ensure the air hose is firmly plugged into both the cuff and the monitor. If the hose is damaged, replacement is necessary. E2 signifies that the cuff is not snugly wrapped around your arm. If the cuff is too loose, allowing more than one or two fingers to fit underneath, air leakage can occur and skew your blood pressure readings. To correct this error, rewrap the cuff around your arm, ensuring it feels snug but not overly tight. This prevents air leakage and ensures accurate measurements. Additionally, avoid any body movement during the measurement to prevent this error from occurring. Remember, a properly fitted cuff is essential for reliable blood pressure readings. The E3 error appears when your Omron blood pressure monitor detects an irregular heartbeat. This commonly indicates atrial fibrillation, or AFib, and other types of arrhythmias that affect the heart's rhythm. An occasional E3 error might stem from interference during measurement, such as movement or improper cuff placement, but frequent E3 codes warrant medical attention. Always consult your physician if you experience persistent irregular heartbeat warnings, as this could signal an underlying heart condition requiring professional diagnosis. E4 indicates air escaping from the cuff or hose, preventing accurate blood pressure readings. In a properly functioning system, the cuff and hose form a sealed connection that maintains pressure during measurement. E4 errors are typically caused by a worn-out cuff, cracks in the hose, or improper inflation that allows air to escape. To address E4, inspect the cuff and hose for visible damage like cracks or wear. Replace any worn or damaged components to restore the sealed system. Always ensure the cuff is properly sealed during inflation to maintain the necessary pressure for accurate readings. E5 indicates excessive cuff inflation beyond 300 millimeters of mercury, or detects a problem with the cuff's functionality. This error may stem from a blocked air valve, a tangled hose, or rapid inflation. Check for any obstructions in the air path and ensure the hose is not kinked. If the issue persists, the cuff itself may be faulty and require replacement. This error is a safety feature to prevent user injury. General troubleshooting tips apply to any error code on your Omron blood pressure monitor. First, reset the device by unplugging it from the power source and then plugging it back in. This clears temporary errors. Second, inspect the cuff for any damage or loose connections. Ensure the air hose is securely attached to the monitor. Third, take your blood pressure again while relaxed and still. Follow Omron's guideline of taking 3 measurements and averaging them for the most accurate results. Keep in mind that the majority of these error codes stem from user setup issues rather than problems with the device itself. Smart BP monitors with app integration are increasingly common, enabling remote data logging and sharing of health data with healthcare providers. Experts emphasize that while Omron error codes are helpful for troubleshooting, persistent E3 codes indicating irregular heartbeat require medical evaluation to rule out underlying heart conditions. Verify monitor accuracy annually to ensure reliable readings, as recommended by health organizations like the FDA. By 2030, AI-driven diagnostics may predict error codes preemptively, further improving accuracy and user experience through machine learning algorithms. Always prioritize proper setup and technique for the best results, including correct cuff positioning and following measurement guidelines.